This is Reynolds Park Marina, a wonderful liveaboard marina in northern Florida. And I'm going to catch a fish. There he is, right at dawn. So if you live in a liveaboard marina, you can fish right out of your boat every morning, every evening. Oh, it's nice, it's nice. Look at that beautiful water out there. Wake up to look at all the wonderful boats and to catch a fish. Yeah, there he is. Let's get him on the boat. Not a bad bullhead. I'd give him 3 to 5 pounds. He put up a really nice fight on my ultralight. Then we'll get him back into the water and set him free so you can catch him if you ever decide to live in a liveaboard marina. Tight lines, everyone. What a beautiful place. Thanks for watching.